Hello everyone, this Lexus 2000 RX300. I got a code on the OPD2 scan. I used the blue driver scanner and the code tells me code P0171. Lean, system is too lean, and so that means either like too much air, less gas, or there's a huge mass air leak. So I checked all the hoses here, everything, all the vacuum hoses like here, everything is fine. I didn't find any broken pipe, hose, or any loose, nothing. Everything is good, except when I looked here, I found this. You can see this is loosed. You can see here, this one, this pipe. You see that? So this is supposed to be connected here, and I just found this. So I'm just gonna put this one back in, and to see maybe that can solve the problem. So there is a kind of a clamp here. Okay. Okay. Let's put this one back in. It's very, very tight room here. Okay, that should be good. Maybe if I can push it just a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna push this clamp back in again. Okay, that should be good. So I'll check right now to see if this code is still on. There are also 5 different codes issues in this vehicle. So I'll make another video about each code, but for now I'm just gonna focus on the code P0171.